going on, guys? Doing a video today, doing a quick update. We are cleaning up the suspension stuff. So I haven't told you guys yet, I did find some BC coils used on the local marketplace. Say hi to Dalton, he's my cleaning person today. So he's cleaning stuff for me. And then I also did find a villain's angle kit. So we have some sick mad angles, bruh. Pup helper's ball. Are you helping? Are you helping? Not helping? Helping? Are you helping? Okay. Thank you. Up. Good. All right. So thanks to Dalton, we got the sick rear coilovers on. You can see them up here on the top. Looks pretty dope inside the chassis. And we're gonna be hella low because that's where they're set up at the moment. So thumbs up. Thanks, bud. Next up, we are going to start installing our villain's angle kit. We're going to start with our tie rods first because we need to swap out the ones that we have here for these nicely longer ones that look like S chassis ones. Bye, buddy. I hope you find your dad. Next up, we have our lower ball joint spacer, which ends up mounting underneath it. I think that they revised this and now it has 2 different bolt holes rather than just 3. So this probably is an older version, but that's okay. It should still work. Alright, that's basically the basics to bolting on the angle kit for the villains. Rx7 angle, schmangle, kitterangle thingy. Anyway, so basically just rinse and repeat that on the other side. And then we got to swap our spindles over, and then you can put your brakes on and your wheels on, and you're good to go. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do, the other side off camera real quick, just so we don't have to watch that twice. It's kind of a mess. It's always a hot mess trying to do this stuff and film it for some reason for me. It never goes smoothly, but it is what it is. Bear with me. Whoa, focus. There it goes. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and then I'll jump back on the camera and we'll get you guys updated. We'll move on to our next project. We're just chugging through things today. Let's get it. All right, so we just got the coils in, got all the front suspension put together. Well, outside of putting the spindles on, I don't have bearing grease right now, so kind of need to go get some of that. before I try to pull the spindles out of the other knuckles. Just gotta, you know, repack the bearings. So, don't have the bearing, or I don't have grease for that, so we're gonna move on to something else I can do, which, ooh, I know what I can do. I can start mounting some of my engine stuff. I do need to mount my vacuum block, so we can start with this guy. So this is for your ITBs. If you guys are not familiar, when you do an ITB setup, you don't have quite like the volume for creating a vacuum in your car, so you end up using a vacuum block, which ties all of the runners post throttle body, so after the air passes the throttle body, together, which you do it into something like this, which this is just a Vibrant Performance vacuum block. So pretty straight, which is why it has all these hoses on it. So pretty straightforward. We're gonna end up mounting this old girl, probably thinking down here in our wasteland of stuff. I was thinking somewhere down here on the frame rail looked pretty nice. Like, you know, put a couple of riv nuts in and yeah, call her a day right there. Basically all the vacuum ports sit right about up in here, right underneath the intake manifold here. So it'll be nice, short, and sweet to get to, so that should be good. Let's get to it. Okay, this took way longer than I wanted it to, but we got this in now. Just took a second to get the screws lined up. It's really hard to get your starter punch in the hole and actually get it to click down. So you gotta get something long enough to draw down in there or something, but it's on there, so that's sick. So when we get our ITBs on, now we can run our vacuum lines. So that's all prepped to go. So backing up a little bit, we got our coils on and front suspension all put together, short of hubs and brakes, but I still need to order stuff for those anyway. Rear coilovers are on, even though the rear is gonna have to come apart at a later point, but they're on, storage, whatever. That's probably gonna be it for right now though. I'm gonna go clean up the garage a bit, and then I'm going to maybe see if there's anything else I wanna put on. But that's probably gonna be it for the day. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.